Cali Express by Flippy is about to reshape dining with the world's first fully autonomous, AI-powered restaurant, marking a major leap in food technology. Nestled in Pasadena, California, at 561 East Green Street, Cali Express is a collaborative marvel developed by Miso Robotics, Cali Group, and Pop ID. By merging artificial intelligence, robotics, and digital ordering systems, this establishment is poised to redefine how we experience quick-service dining, setting new standards for speed, consistency, safety, and innovation in the restaurant industry. Upon arrival, guests enter a streamlined, futuristic environment that showcases a simple yet sophisticated menu. The highlight? Premium Wagyu beef burgers and French fries, executed with robotic precision to ensure each bite meets the highest quality standards. Every burger patty is prepared fresh with Flippy, the kitchen's robotic chef, grinding and grilling the Wagyu beef in real time upon ordering. The fries are equally perfected, with Flippy's fry station handling every detail from slicing to frying, ensuring each fry is crisp to golden perfection without any human intervention. Ordering at Cali Express is made easy through Pop ID-powered kiosks, which allow customers to place their orders, pay, and even access tailored meal suggestions and loyalty rewards all in one go. The Pop ID system, equipped with facial recognition, creates a personalized dining experience that feels seamless and intuitive. This integration of robotics with digital ordering not only simplifies customer interactions, but also increases operational efficiency, meaning customers receive their meals quicker and with more accuracy. But Cali Express is more than just a restaurant. It's designed to be an immersive educational experience, inspiring curiosity and innovation. Guests can explore the space as a kind of tech gallery, featuring displays like retired Flippy robotic arms, 3D printed prototypes, and other artifacts showcasing the evolution of AI and automation in culinary tech. These exhibits offer insights into the journey of Miso Robotics and the groundbreaking developments behind Cali Express's creation. The restaurant encourages educational visits, inviting school groups and future technology enthusiasts to come in for a tour and witness how artificial intelligence is shaping the food service industry. From a safety perspective, Cali Express addresses many challenges of traditional kitchens by reducing risks commonly associated with cooking. Automated processes mean fewer slips, burns, and other injuries, making the environment safer for everyone involved. Automation also allows for a smaller, more focused team that can operate in a less stressful setting. Because tasks are distributed to the robotic chef, the staff can focus more on customer engagement and operational quality, with the added benefit of offering above-average wages, a testament to how AI can elevate workplace standards in the restaurant industry. The restaurant's kitchen represents a true evolution in workplace productivity and hygiene, minimizing food waste and optimizing every step of the cooking process. The automated fry station, for instance, ensures that each batch of fries is cooked to precise temperatures and timings, which not only maximizes flavor, but also reduces oil waste. This level of precision would be challenging to achieve with human chefs alone, underscoring the unique advantage of integrating advanced robotics. Set to open initially by reservation, Cali Express by Flippy plans to welcome eager diners before its grand opening, giving early visitors a taste of a revolutionary dining experience. With its simplified menu, futuristic tech, and commitment to excellence, Cali Express invites people to explore a new kind of dining that celebrates both culinary quality and the incredible potential of artificial intelligence.